Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, we are back again with the new and fresh off-campus job opportunities from Tower Research Capital and MyWays. So as you have heard about the name Tower Research Capital, it's a great company to start your career as a fresher. So this is a freshers off-campus job. They are hiring freshers for full-time opportunity. So you must apply for this opportunity as they are providing good packages with various perks. So let's see more details about the job. So the first opportunity is from Tower Research Capital. Tower Research Capital is hiring for intern at Gurgaon location for the duration of 6 months. So talking about the qualification, then a candidate should be pursuing or recently completed their bachelor's, master's or PhD degree in computer science or equivalent field from a top college or top university. Talking about the skills and knowledge, then you should be having a knowledge and experience in training, building and deploying models via PyTorch, which is a mandatory skills to apply for this internship. You should be also having a knowledge in machine learning skills, Linux, SQL and Bash with a strong knowledge in Python, and you should be able to train and deploy machine learning model. And if you are having a basic knowledge in finance related domain, then it will be an advantage for this internship. So talking about the responsibilities during your internship, you will be working on a machine learning projects. You will be mainly focusing on to develop machine learning models with the design, development, implementation and maintenance of machine learning pipelines. So now talking about the main area, which is a benefit section. So during your internship, you will be offered a stipend of nearly about 1 lakh rupees, and there is a high possibility that if you work well in your internship period, then you can also get a PPO with more than 30 lakh package. And apart from the stipend and salary, you will be also getting various perks like performance based bonuses, 5 weeks paid vacation in a yearly basis with breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks on a daily basis. You will be also getting cab facility within the Gurgaon location. Wellness or health allowances will also be given. And there are various perks which you will be getting when you will be joining this organization. So it is a high recommendation to all the pursuing or recently graduated candidates to apply for this internship program. So you must fill all the basic details as mentioned below in the form. So the next opportunity is from MyWays. MyWays is hiring for the multiple roles and for the multiple locations with the package differ from 4 to 12 LPA. So the candidates who are recently graduating in 2023 batch and looking for technical jobs, then you must apply for this opportunity. So talking about the eligibility, then you should be completing your college in a bachelor's or master's degree in 2023 batch. So first they are hiring for the role of MERN stack developer in Noida and Delhi NCR location, ranges from 4 to 8 LPA. Next they are hiring for machine learning, deep learning and computer vision in Gurgaon and Delhi location with the package ranges from 8 to 12 LPA. Next they are hiring for React Native domain in Mohali location with a package ranges from 4 to 5 LPA. Next C++ developer in Noida location with a package 5 to 6 LPA. And next they are hiring for Python and data analyst role for Gurgaon location with a package from 4 to 5 LPA. And at last they are also hiring for business development people with a package ranges from 3 to 5 LPA. And apart from the salary, you will be also getting various incentives. So if you are interested and have the following skills, then you must apply for this opportunity. I will be posting you the link. So when you open the link, the Google form will appear where you have to mention all the basic details with your preferred tech domain, as I have mentioned, with your experience during internship or full-time employment. So you must apply for this job. And after the selection, you will be going under trainee period of 3 months before your full-time job. And during your trainee, you will be offered a stipend of rupees 15 to 20k per month. So these were the two job opportunity. So you must apply for both the job opportunity if you meet the criteria, and if you are having the same skills as shown in the job description, then you must apply for this job. So this much for this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. Also share with all your friends, those who are in search of new job and internship opportunity, and consider subscribing our channel to receive more updates related to IT careers. Thank you.